Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can actually use funnels to create and build relationships with realtors. So if you're targeting real estate companies to generate leads, giving them a funnel that's already done, um, or maybe you want to actually finish it for them, is actually a really great way that you can say, hey, look, I've got this free funnel for you. You can, put like an explainer video with it saying, this is how you edit the funnel. And not to mention, when you do that, you share this funnel because ClickFunnels allows you to use share funnels. So what happens if you build a funnel for someone, you give it away, then they will actually be able to be one of your affiliates. So you will collect monthly recurring revenue every single month for the duration of them having their account. So it opens up another income stream. So let me share my screen. So this is one that's pre-made. And if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, all ClickFunnels is a website builder. It's like a website builder tool or whatever. Let me get rid of my face. But essentially this is, I would love to say that I built this one, but I did not. This was one that was shared with me, but let me just show you what it looks like if you were to just click on it. So let's just say you give this to a real estate agent, because you want to do business with them and you want them to refer you business. You could say, hey, look, I have a website for you. And all this one does is collects a lead. So if they want to use this for their business, and just imagine that whatever this real estate agent's name is, just say they're Jeannie Smith or whatever. Well, she's a real estate agent. She's got her information on here. You give this to her and she's going to be like, oh my gosh, heck yeah, she'll remember that, right? And essentially she would just either have to get you to come through here and edit all this information for them. It's super easy, but all this does is collects a lead. So it takes them through like a survey, not the realtor, but the real estate agents, their leads. Let's just say they want to get through this. The person does the answering. Obviously, I'm just clicking on something and see this whole form is just to collect a lead. So if they're a real estate agent and they're struggling to get leads, this would be perfect. So it's going to do, in my opinion, three wonderful things. It's going to, if you give this funnel away to the real estate agent, it's going to, one, they will import it into their system. If they don't have a ClickFunnels account, they will become an affiliate of yours. So you do need to sign up for that. So I'll have a link under this video. You can sign up to be one of my affiliates, because when you are an affiliate underneath me, I give you tons of free funnels to use, and I actually teach you how to use them. So if you haven't got signed up yet, there's a 14-day free trial. And after that, it's $97. It's worth the $97. I promise you, because really all you would have to do is get two people, or really just one person to sign up. No, I think you get 40% commission, I want to say. So that's what, $48 off of 97. Anyway, so you could essentially get two people signed up underneath you, and you would get it would take, kind of counteract each other, I guess. So anyway, so you get the lead. You are able to generate business because you're going to give this away to real estate agents. You'll have an affiliate. So that means you'll make monthly recurring revenue because they will love the funnel, and you're going to establish that relationship. So what are they going to do? They're going to remember that, y'all, you got to give, give. And then people remember that. It's like the law of reciprocity. Like you give someone something so amazing, they feel like they feel obligated to give something back to you, right? It's kind of like going to a Christmas party and showing up empty handed or something. I don't know. And somebody gives you this amazing gift. Every time you see them, what do you feel like? Like you want to give something back to them. So anyway, so under this video, I'll have a link from my affiliate link, but I want to go ahead and show you, like on the ClickFunnels side, what this thing does. So these are, obviously this is the entire funnel. And if you'll look, these are all the different steps. So if you're not familiar with how to edit this, I have a completely different course, a free course on how you can actually learn how to build funnels. But essentially, this is just an opt-in. The whole purpose of this funnel is to collect a lead. Obviously, you would just, and here's what's great about it. You go to settings and you hit share this funnel. You just copy that. And when you share that, so I'm going to share it with you. And if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, it'll prompt you to actually sign up. So if you do, it'll just add it to your funnels. But if you don't, it'll prompt you to sign up for the 14-day free trial. you want to do the 14-day free trial. But anyway, if you'll just click on that, you'll get a copy of the funnel. I wouldn't make a whole lot of changes to it because I think it looks really good. And then just reach out to your realtor and say, hey, I built you a funnel, blah, 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 whatever your pitch is, and start rubbing elbows. Give them something amazing and they will feel obligated to send you leads. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.